Suzuki Boulevard C50 Best Cruiser Motorcycle for Beginners. The world of motorcycling holds the promise of adventure, freedom, and a unique bond between rider and machine. For beginners entering this exhilarating world, the choice of their first motorcycle is a significant decision that paves their path. The Suzuki Boulevard C50, with its blend of accessible power, classic aesthetics, and cruiser comfort, stands as a gateway for novices to embrace the cruiser lifestyle. With its balanced performance, timeless design, and rider-focused features, the Boulevard C50 offers an enticing invitation for novices to embark on their cruiser journey. Harmonious performance and approachable power. At the core of the Suzuki Boulevard C50 resides a refined 805cc V-twin engine that strikes a harmony between power and manageability. This engine delivers a balanced performance, allowing beginners to experience the thrill of cruising without being overwhelmed. Cruiser comfort and rider ergonomics. The Suzuki Boulevard C50 is thoughtfully designed to prioritize rider comfort, offering a relaxed and inviting riding position characteristic of cruiser motorcycles. The low seat height, forward-mounted foot controls, and wide handlebars create an ergonomic setup that ensures comfort during extended rides. Timeless cruiser design and classic aesthetics. The Boulevard C50 captures the essence of classic cruiser design with a touch of elegance. Its clean lines, iconic contours, and distinct cruiser styling reflect the timeless aesthetics that cruiser enthusiasts hold dear. Novice riders not only experience the joy of cruising but also embrace the style that defines cruiser motorcycles. Effortless handling and rider-friendly maneuverability. The Suzuki Boulevard C50 offers effortless handling and rider-friendly maneuverability, making it well-suited for novice riders. Its well-balanced chassis and nimble characteristics contribute to a stable and confident riding experience. Safety features and riding assurance. Safety is paramount, especially for novice riders. Many Suzuki Boulevard C50 models come equipped with advanced safety features like optional ABS, anti-lock braking system, enhancing braking control and stability. This feature provides novices with an added layer of assurance as they navigate various road conditions. Urban and leisurely cruiser experience. The Boulevard C50's versatility makes it suitable for both urban commutes and leisurely rides. Novice riders can transition seamlessly between city streets and open highways, all while relishing the comfort and style that the cruiser offers. Community and rider connection. Enthusiasts of the Suzuki brand form a community that warmly welcomes beginners. Joining this community offers novices access to shared experiences, valuable insights, and connections with fellow riders who share a passion for the Boulevard C50's cruiser lifestyle. Skill growth and riding mastery. The Suzuki Boulevard C50 encourages skill development as beginners build confidence. Riders can progressively explore the bike's capabilities, fine-tuning their riding techniques and fully embracing the cruiser experience. Long-term riding satisfaction. The Suzuki Boulevard C50 isn't just an initial choice, it's a lifelong companion for the cruiser journey ahead. Its comfort, performance, and brand reputation ensure that riders can continue to enjoy the Boulevard C50 as they evolve from novices to seasoned cruiser enthusiasts. Conclusion. The Suzuki Boulevard C50 reflects Suzuki's commitment to delivering an accessible and stylish cruiser experience for beginners. With its harmonious performance, classic design, and dedication to rider comfort and safety, the Boulevard C50 provides an immersive introduction to the cruiser lifestyle. By choosing a Suzuki Boulevard C50 motorcycle, novices embark on a journey characterized by growth, skill enhancement, and the embrace of a cruiser community that shares their passion for leisurely rides and the timeless allure of the open road.